Hello, folks. Do you want to be in? Yes, they do. Nobody's even in here yet. Cute little doggy. Hello, guys. All right, I'm going to turn it around. We're in Hawaii, so I'm going to let you guys see the gorgeous view. Isn't this so pretty? It's such a beautiful view. It smells amazing out here. You want to see the girls striking a pose? Yeah. What lookout is this called? Tantalus. It's so pretty. Yes. What's up, Hope? It's gorgeous. Yesterday we went to go find a cheese biscuit and we drove this entire thing. No, I'm just kidding. We did drive this entire island yesterday. They were looking for just the right water to dip our bodies in. And their spidey senses went off, where you see the last TikTok that I posted where there was a seal. Because while we were swimming, some marine life came up to try and take our wallets and run. Thieving little heathens. Hey, Christy. I love it. Ooh. They said there's ferrets here. I haven't seen a ferret yet, but
they live in this grass right there.
They say they live in this grass right here. Go down there and find us one, girl. I would die if one popped out right now.
Right? I'll just head up and be like, what's up, girl?
Hey.
What y'all need?
This is in Hawaii. Girl. Yes, ma'am. Now, I know this view is gorgeous, but if you want to see something even more beautiful, make sure you go to my profile on the top. It says Justice Taylor 2020. I do drag, honey. This is a real canvas, and just like real, I do nothing but real. So when you go on there, I'm a real woman. Make sure you go on and see me. The great thing about the makeup that you see on there is a link tree that you can go and see the tutorials. So make sure you go and subscribe to where you can watch all the fabulous tutorials from start to finish to achieve the look yourself. If you're new to TikTok, tapping the screen means you like the video. The more taps that I get, the more visible I become in the For You page. So pretty. So this is Hawaii. Huh? Oahu. There we go. Ah, Rosaline is already here. Look at the airplane over there taking off. Do you guys see it?
You read this? Yep, I'm from here, y'all.
All right, guys. Thank you for joining. It was going to be a quick little something. We are going to be going live a little bit later on today because we're going to go see where they filmed Jurassic Park, or as better known as Jurassic Park. So make sure you stay available. We will be going there. Let's see, what time is it? At 1:30, or no, it's 12:30 is when it starts. Yeah, 12:30
Hawaii time.
Hawaii time. So we're 5 hours from Central. So, no. All right, guys, have fun. Don't forget to like my videos. Go subscribe on my YouTube, which is on my link tree. And yeah, all this fabulosity can shift into a snatched, fabulous drag queen. So make sure you go and take a look, guys. Bye. Y'all say bye.
Bye.
They're excited. They're like, bye. Bye. There is a ferret over here. Look, right here. Come here, little ferret. Do you see the ferret? It was just right here.